Hey guys, on this video, you will see how I mine coins through my smartphone in my vacant time at sea. I installed a coin app and my account is still in basic. Already mined near to 30,000 coins. In just 3 days some Geo-Mine's jackpot just suddenly appear I guess. I am using a roaming SIM card from my country, and sufficient enough with good speed during the passage in Mississippi River. I might soon subscribe with Pro plan but will depend on my destination and voyage. Well, for me the most important for now is a good start on this mining coin application. As I observed, geomining is more faster depending the speed and tiles you're able to create. This application requires that you always move. Well, if you are interested, you can follow the link below. It would give you 1,000 free coins and you are free to be a geominer. The coins are redeemable as XYO token with present market cap price $0.0287 per token. During the duration of geo-mining you can watch some advertisement and it adds up some coins. In the basic account it is in between 3 to 7 coins. Not bad, when just passing the time. Most of the time, I encountered a hanging due to my poor internet signal. That is the time, I just refresh or open again the application to continue mining. Since I am at sea most of the time, this interruption cannot be avoided. Do not forget to tap again the button Auto Explorer when you want to automatically initiate the geomining located at the mid-bottom. There are also extra activities, like engaging survey, product scans, store visits, rewarded play and business verifications. I like to participate the engaging survey. It gives me a few hundreds up to 1,000 coins if you complete the survey. You can bar scan some product codes coming from specific stores, and when you make a store visit as well you can earn some coins. During mining, you have to tap big geo-mines and the first 200 users win some coin prizes. You will also get a first badge as 1K plus geo-miner and 1K plus witnesser. Some badges I received are 10K plus holder and some missing puzzle to complete. Just do not stay long time in the big geo-mines list since it hinders also the Auto Explorer ability to mine as I observed. By pressing the tile, you can engage on some mini tile game which adds up your activity, making the mining more interesting. Well, I stay inside my cabin now, and try to geomine inside. The application consumes less data and you can still switch quickly browsing anything as you like. I think staying at basic if you do not travel a lot will be okay. However, if you are serious about coins, it is highly suggested to go with Coin Plus, Pro or Master account. I had ordered also my Sentinel X and it now given for free, just pay for the shipping. It will give you 12 times more geomining capability. I will put on my next video when I come back home regarding the progress of my geomining. I hope you can stay tuned for this. Just smash the subscribe button and follow. Do not forget to participate in GeoClaim, making you eligible for additional geomining on that particular area, where at the end of the week you will receive geomining rewards.
Don't forget to follow my Facebook page Filipinas Bullion as well as my Instagram and YouTube channel. Leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to keep you posted for new videos. Thank you for watching.